Mythical creatures from European folklore and Greek mythology. Welcome to our mythical creatures training. Understand the characteristics and symbolism of various mythical creatures. Explore the origins and stories associated with each creature. Analyze the cultural significance of these creatures in folklore. Discuss the contrasts between Western and Eastern representations of dragons. Here are the most critical mythical beings and their meanings. The basilisk is known for its lethal gaze, capable of killing with just a look. How to understand. Learn about its origins and the legends surrounding it. Action. Reflect on how this creature represents our fears of the unknown. Centaurs symbolize the struggle between civilization and raw instinct. How to analyze. Examine tales that showcase their dual nature. Action. Discuss how they mirror human behavior in modern contexts. Cerberus, the three-headed guardian, represents mortality and the unknown. How to explore. Investigate its role in various myths. Action. Consider what it means to guard against our fears. The Chimera is a hybrid monster that embodies chaos and destruction. How to discuss. Talk about its legacy in modern storytelling. Action. Analyze how it represents the blending of different aspects of life. Dragons vary across cultures, symbolizing both chaos and wisdom. How to compare. Look at their differing roles in Western and Eastern myths. Action. Discuss how these representations influence current narratives. Now let's check our knowledge retention with a couple of real-life scenarios. You read a modern story featuring a basilisk. What themes does it explore? Pause and reflect. What does the basilisk symbolize in this narrative? Your action should be: identify the fears it represents and discuss. Imagine a film that portrays dragons as protectors. What message does this send? Pause and analyze. How does this differ from traditional views of dragons? If the answer is yes, discuss the cultural implications of this portrayal. Mythical creatures reflect human fears and hopes. Each creature has unique symbolic meanings and stories. Understanding these myths can provide insights into cultural values. The legacy of these creatures continues to influence modern narratives. Explore more about mythical creatures in literature and art, and consider how they reflect our own lives. Thank you for being a part of our Mythos Academy training.